Looking for a classic car with character? This 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air could be the project you're seeking. Priced at $16,000. Located in Redding, California, this sedan is ready for someone with a love for restoration. Under the hood, you'll find a 283 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 8 cylinders, offering the power and reliability you're looking for. With 139,789 miles, this vehicle has some wear but still starts and runs strong. The exterior features a custom paint job, and although it has a salvage title, the car is solid with a rewired electrical system, 4-wheel disc brakes, and good tires. Inside, the interior is in good condition, though it's missing a dome light and could use a bit of TLC. It also has the original steering wheel and horns still in working condition. If you're up for some work, this could be a rewarding restoration project that brings this classic beauty back to life. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more information and photos, check the link in the description. Whether you're a collector or just someone who appreciates classic cars, this could be a worthwhile investment. If you're a true classic car enthusiast, this 1929 Ford Model A is calling your name. At just $10,975, located in Sacramento, California, this beauty is in excellent condition. With a strong 4-cylinder engine and a clean title, this original gem is a rare find. The manual transmission adds to the classic driving experience, and with only 5 miles on the odometer, it's practically a time capsule. The older paint shows well, and with white wall tires and trim rings, it has the perfect vintage touch. The solid body is rust-free, making it an even better investment for anyone looking to restore or simply appreciate its history. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more photos and details, check the link in the description. Step back in time with this charming 1930 Ford Model A Tudor, priced at just $10,000 and located in the heart of Coolidge, Arizona. With its clean title and good overall condition, this classic sedan runs and drives beautifully, boasting a reliable 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, making every drive a delightful experience. It has only covered 9,999 miles since its restoration in 1965 and comes with a rich history, including a previous life in a museum until 2013. While the vinyl roof has been recently removed due to wear, the body remains free of rust, showcasing the character and history of its journey. From its respectable black paint to its functioning doors and windows, this Model A is a testament to enduring craftsmanship. Even with its charming bumps and bruises, value collectors will appreciate the original hand crank, tools, and manual included in the sale. Given its condition, historical relevance, and alluring price point, this Ford Model A Tudor presents an excellent investment opportunity for any classic car enthusiast or collector. Don't miss your chance. Check out the link in the description for more details and captivating photos. Here's a chance to own a piece of automotive history. This 1930 Ford 5-window coupe stands as a testament to timeless design and craftsmanship. With its all-steel body and fresh set of tires, this classic car is ready to hit the road. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine, this beauty drives like a dream with its 3-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car shows only 17,000 miles on the odometer, making it a rare find for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Finished in a stunning blue paint, it's in good condition with a clean title, so you can drive it with confidence. For anyone who appreciates vintage cars, this is a golden opportunity to own a well-maintained piece of history. At just $11,200, it offers excellent value considering its condition, low mileage, and solid build. Whether you're looking for a unique addition to your collection or a project for restoration, this Ford Coupe is worth considering. Don't wait. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. Attention all classic car enthusiasts, feast your eyes on this stunning 1938 DeSoto S5 sedan, a true gem of American automotive history. Now available for $10,500 in Olympia, Washington. This beauty boasts a classic 6-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive, paired with a smooth manual transmission. While the odometer reads just 1 mile, after an extensive engine rebuild and a professional 12-volt conversion, the car has minor cosmetic issues from a past incident. Nonetheless, the interior showcases exquisite Art Deco details, and with previous owners investing over $11,000 in improvements, this car promises an exhilarating driving experience that turns heads wherever it goes. With a clean title and an opportunity for you to make it your own, don't miss the chance to own such a remarkable piece of history. Bring your trailer, and let's make this classic yours. Check out the link in the description for more details and to see those stunning photos of this classic DeSoto. Imagine rolling down the streets in a true piece of automotive history. A 1930 Ford flatbed truck. Priced at $12,000, this is your chance to own a fully restored, never-before-driven masterpiece. With a custom-built frame, a 10-bolt Chevrolet rear end, and a Pinto motor by DC Performance, this truck is all about performance and craftsmanship. The truck's condition is as new as it gets. Everything has been meticulously rebuilt. Although it doesn't come with a title, the quality of the build speaks volumes. The 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission ensure it's not just a showpiece, but something you can eventually hit the road with. Located in Colton, California, this vehicle is a rare gem for any vintage car enthusiast or someone looking to dive into a rewarding restoration project. For a truck of this caliber, the price is reasonable. And it's a fantastic opportunity if you're willing to put in the work to secure ownership. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of Ford history. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Here's a rare gem. This 1939 Chevrolet Business Coupe has been in the same family since its inception, and now it's ready for a new owner. Priced at $10,000 in Ossining, New York, it's a car that's seen love and care, having undergone professional restoration just 3 years ago. The 6-cylinder engine purrs smoothly, the manual transmission still engages like it should, and it's clocked just 60,000 miles. The gray paint still holds charm, but there's a bit of bodywork that'll give you the chance to add your personal touch. Inside, the original interior remains intact, with unique details like a horsehair front seat and a businessman's platform in the back. Original bumpers, hubcaps, and even a Hudson, Iowa gas station mirror add to the vintage feel. It's a significant piece of history, as 1939 was the last year before Chevrolet introduced signal lights. This car is a true classic, a potential restoration project, and a collector's dream. For a vehicle this rare and with such a rich backstory, the price seems reasonable, especially considering the restoration it's already undergone. If you have a passion for vintage cars, this could be a fantastic project for you. Don't miss out on this incredible piece of automotive history. For more details and photos, check out the link in the description. This 1939 Ford Standard two-door is a classic hot rod with a rich history and timeless appeal. Priced at $16,500 in Two Rivers, Wisconsin, this beauty is powered by a 283 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, offering that true vintage driving experience. While the odometer reads 999,999 miles, it's clear this car has seen its fair share of road trips. The seller has made thoughtful updates to the fuel system, brakes, and electrical system, including the installation of disc brakes, making it a more reliable ride for its age. Although this car shows signs of wear and tear, it's still an eye-catching piece, boasting that raw, old-school hot rod charm. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a project or just love the character of a classic car with plenty of stories to tell, this is one ride worth considering. Its clean title and manual transmission make it a solid find for anyone looking to restore or preserve a piece of automotive history. If you're ready to take this piece of the past for a spin, check out the link in the description for more details and photos. With a price of $16,500, it's not just a car, it's an investment in history. Introducing the stunning 1939 Packard 110, a genuine piece of automotive history that's ready for its next chapter. Priced at just $11,500, this timeless black coupe has been lovingly garaged for 47 years and stands as a testament to original craftsmanship and design. Though it's currently not running, the allure of its all-original components makes this vehicle a prime candidate for restoration. With an automatic transmission and a clean title, this 110 model offers a rare opportunity to own a classic that's been meticulously preserved. With only a mile on the odometer, imagine the stories this coupe could tell. Located in Savannah, Georgia, this is not just a vehicle, but a potential treasure for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether you envision bringing it back to life for romantic Sunday drives or showcasing it in your collection, the investment potential here is substantial. Don't let this chance slip away. Check the link in the description for more information and breathtaking photos of this remarkable piece of history. Imagine cruising down the road in a 1940 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe, a true classic that boasts not only stunning aesthetics, but also a rich history. Priced at $15,500 and located in the picturesque Spencerport, this vehicle is in excellent condition with a clean title, making it an exceptional find for any classic car enthusiast. Under the hood, you'll discover a powerful 8-cylinder engine, supported by a smooth automatic transmission, ensuring that every drive is both thrilling and effortless. With just 1 mile on the odometer, this car is practically brand new, showcasing new tires, a premium all-steel body, and both air conditioning and heat for year-round comfort. This trophy-winning beauty is a testament to the iconic design and engineering of its era, offering not just transportation, but a slice of automotive history. Whether you're looking to add to your collection or invest in a timeless piece, this Chevrolet is certainly worth every penny. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity. Check the link in the description for more details and captivating photos of this stunning classic car.